Veo 3 by Google, one of the most advanced AI video generation models available today, is now integrated into Canva. That's right, you heard that correctly. This powerful tool lets you turn simple text prompts into cinematic quality videos directly within the Canva platform. And in this video, I'm going to share all the details. From where to find it, and most of all, I will compare the Veo 3 result with Canva result as well.
First, come to Canva homepage. You will see the Canva icon. Click on it. This is the prompt box where you input your prompt. And from here you can select the style like cinematic, 3D. This is pre-built prompt where you can generate AI videos with single click. But before that, let me quickly demonstrate the interface. When you click on style, you will get this wide variety of options to choose from. We have the default aspect ratio. I will input framing and lighting in my prompt, so let us not use it. This is my prompt, remember. Guys, you can't prompt correctly, you will not get the best results. I will list the prompt in the description below.
Guys, the raccoons last night. Guys.
Guys, I partied with the raccoons last night.
Guys. I partied with the raccoons last night.